What's your lunch?
I don't know.
This is baby daing. Ate Ana gave.
Why is there still scales on it?
Show me. It's edible. It's okay.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
What do the scales just taste like?
It's crunchy. Nothing. Oh, baby daing.
I don't like the head. It's bitter.
This one is tasty. I like this one.
Yeah.
I forgot kung anong name eh. Basta baby daing na lang. Crunchy. Sarap, no? Yum. Kainin mo yung ano, yung head. Okay lang naman. Try mo lang. Dali.
It tastes bad. I already tried it.
Mag-dessert Ate Ana.
Thank you.
Enjoying the breakfast. It's
lunch.
lunch. Andre ate it for lunch, for breakfast. Sarap. Wow, sarap. Tinanggalan mo na ng ulo.